What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lonely by Justin Bieber and Benny Blanco. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double karate chop your jugular into the atmosphere. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got two different parts, the verses and the pre-chorus / chorus. The verses have one chord progression and the verses have a different chord progression. They're both very, very similar. They only use a few different chords, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. So you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret, and all the chords that you need to know are going to be F major. Now you can play this as the bar chord if you want. I'm playing it as like the F major 7. It's totally up to you. This is just more comfortable for me. It's 1st fret on the low E with your, I'm using my thumb. If you're doing the bar chord, you'll bar the entire 1st fret, but thumb 1st fret low E, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, pinky finger 3rd fret of the D, middle finger 2nd fret G, and index finger 1st fret on the B. Then you need an E minor. It's 0 2 2 0 0 0. A minor, which is 0 0 2 2 1 0. Middle finger 2nd fret D, ring finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret B. And then finally you'll need a G chord. It's 3 2 0 0 0 3. I'm using my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, middle finger 2nd fret A, and my pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. Now once you get your chords down, all you need is your chord progressions and the strumming pattern. Strumming pattern is going to be the exact same, but the chord progression for the verse, the beginning of the song, is going to be F, E minor, and then A. And your strumming pattern is down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. And it's a really quiet, kind of intimate song, so if you want to like lightly strum, that'll kind of fit the mood of the song better, but totally up to you. Down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Now the pre-chorus and the chorus are the same exact chord progression as each other. It's very similar to the verse. It's F, G, E minor, F. And that repeats, and it's the same strumming pattern as the verse. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.